In this, we're in GH 101, Computing and Data Science, and in this video we're going to see about installing a program in Windows. You may notice I'm actually on my Mac here. I'm going to go into a virtual machine that I have here running Windows, so we can see what Windows looks like. Alright, now I'm in Windows. Or at least this is what it should look like. This is Windows 10. So what I want to look at is connecting to the CS server. So if you click on this link, then, or if you go to the CS page and you go to the Getting Started off the CS page, this talks about getting started with software and accounts and things like that. And I want to go down to the part that is logging into the CS server remotely. And there's two different things we want to do when we're logging into the CS server, and one is transferring files. Alright, so transferring files, you need a program to do that, to send files back and forth between your computer and the CS server. FileZilla is one that works on Mac, Windows, and Linux, so I'm going to show you that one and assume you're using that. If you know about such software and want to use something else, that's fine. Alright, so I'm going to download this FileZilla. I'll take the free version, and then I just want to get it installed. So wait to download, do the installation please. Usual business of installing a program. And once we get to here, this looks pretty much the same whether you're on Mac or Windows or Linux. So I'm going to stop here. This was just getting the software installed, pretty easy on Windows. And we'll go to the next video to show you what to do next.